Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this short tutorial, I'll quickly show you how to use app lock feature on your Itel A200 Plus device. Just follow the steps only in this video to lock apps easily on your phone. So if this video helps you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started.